talked to a lot of clients who would, prefer, they have this dream of, I love a house on Lake Tahoe, and we're going to spend every weekend there, and they'll go to purchase a place and realize they go up twice a month, kind of a thing, and it's not as much as they want, and the cost becomes prohibitive to them. So when we start to walk through that, we look at the cash flow, we look at their intention of, are we actually going to be using that? Are we going to be renting it out? What's the tax cost? What's the upkeep on this property? The insurance is a big one, especially here in California, depending on the location. The big thing is looking at the intention of why you want to have this property. Is it for yourself? Is it for cash flow? And then that way we can look at, what? You're looking for passive cash flow in your retirement years. Maybe you should buy a small condo in a different state outside of California. That might be a little bit more, cost a little bit less, but have, constant occupancy. Or, hey, you know what? You want a vacation home because 6 months out of the year you do live in, you want to live by the beach. Then, that's a different consideration. And from there, you have to we look at the cash flows, your income, and then the outcome and the expenses, and we see if that's comfortable for you.